Thank you for watching us here at Tax Talk UK, where we talk about all things tax and help you to understand how things relate to you as an individual. So today we're going to talk about national insurance credits and how they can be transferred to a grandparent that's helping to provide childcare. And before I talk about that, if I could please ask you to take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you'll easily be able to refer back to this information if you should need to, as well as being able to navigate to other information that we have on a whole host of different topics, all helping you to understand how tax is applicable to you. So back then to transferring national insurance credits to a grandparent helping to care for a child. So to understand what that means, in other videos we've talked about how national insurance allows you to build up entitlement to benefits, including amongst other things your state pension. So in a scenario where you are receiving child benefit and you are caring and your child is under the age of 12, then you will receive a credit even if you don't earn up to the threshold of national insurance, therefore allowing you to stay at home with your child, to care for your child, and not be penalised by losing entitlement to benefits. It would be what we call a qualifying year for national insurance. But there are some scenarios where a grandparent will be helping with the care. So perhaps the actual parent who is receiving the child benefit or entitled to receive the child benefit for the child is working and earning above the threshold, so therefore earning their qualifying year and their entitlement to the benefits in that way. But this is enabled by a grandparent actually helping with the care, and that may mean that that grandparent is unable to take paid work, enabling them to earn above the threshold, and therefore specifically may lose the their entitlement for that, or lose that qualifying year entitlement simply because of helping their child to care for their child, so i.e. caring for their grandchild. Just to add in there that it's not relevant whether the grandparent is paid for the childcare or not. So what HMRC now enable you to do is to transfer your credits to the grandparent that's helping to care. So therefore, as a parent, you are earning your qualifying year by earning above the threshold and paying your national insurance contributions. But the grandparent who is caring for your child is losing their qualifying year. In this scenario, you are able to transfer those credits to the grandparent, thus meaning that you keep your qualifying year as a parent because you're earning above the threshold and paying your national insurance contributions, and the grandparent gets their qualifying year because you've transferred the credits. And that is it's quite simple to do this. So it's a simple form that you will need to complete to let HMRC know that you want to transfer the credits. The form is called CA9176, and I will pop a link in the description to the form and to the detail of this, just so that you can check that everything in your scenario does meet the criteria. Just one thing to add, that only one transfer of credits is allowed per child benefit claim. So if, for example, you have 2 children and one grandparent helps with one child and another with another, because both of those children, you would be making one claim for child benefit as a parent. For the two children, you would only be allowed one transfer, so you wouldn't be able to transfer to both of those grandparents in that scenario. But certainly the scheme does go a long way to help where grandparents are supporting their children with childcare and ensure that that grandparent doesn't lose out on their potentially lose out on their state pension if they don't have enough qualifying years. And we do have another video where we talk about whether you will receive state pension and how to know this and how to get your forecast to see whether this is something you need to do. And that will pop up towards the end of this video, so you can link in and watch that. So just to summarize then, if you are in receipt of child benefit for a child under 12 and you don't earn up to the threshold to pay national insurance, you receive a credit, so therefore that year still qualifies for national insurance purposes, which all works towards your entitlement to benefits, including your state pension. And if you yourself, the child benefit person that's actually in receipt of the child benefit, is earning over the threshold and paying national insurance, so getting their qualifying year, but a grandparent is supporting that by helping with the childcare, you are able to transfer those credits so that the grandparent gets the credits for the child under 12 that they're helping to care for. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. Please do pop a like on the video, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.